This video clip of MyBill will introduce how you can make payment through the DHL MyBill system. Straight-to-bank pay or eNETS is available as a mode of payment. From the dashboard screen, select the invoices that you want to pay from the Open Transactions tab. You may click Pay when you point at the Paid or Adjustment column, or click Pay at the top or bottom of the page. If you wish to pay all overdue invoices, go to Due Now tab. Select All and click Pay. Click Confirm. From the Select Payment Method screen, click Straight-to-Bank Pay. Then, click eNETS. Upper portion will contain some instruction on how to manage pop-up blocker. From the bank selection, choose your debiting bank and click Submit. You will be directed to the respective bank page to key in the internet banking credentials. Once payment has been successfully submitted, a confirmation message will appear. Dashboard will show the invoice status as payment in progress until bank's confirmation of payment has been received, after which the invoice will move to archive screen. With these few steps, you can save time in making payment. To learn more about MyBill, you can watch these videos. For any further assistance, you may email singapore.mybill@dhl.com or contact our local support at 6880-6405.